Ever felt like your Gemini account is whispering secrets, but you're not sure who to trust? You're not alone. Account verification is a crucial step in securing your Gemini experience and unlocking its full potential. But with so much information swirling around, it can feel overwhelming to figure out how to actually verify your account. That's where this video comes in. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Gemini account verification. We'll cover everything from the why behind verification to the step-by-step process, leaving no stone unturned. So, grab your favorite beverage, get comfy, and let's get started. Now, you might be wondering, why even bother with account verification? Think of it like this: your Gemini account is like a digital key to a treasure chest filled with incredible AI capabilities. Verification is like adding an extra layer of security to that key, ensuring only you have access to its power. Here's the lowdown on the benefits. Enhanced security. Account verification significantly strengthens the security of your Gemini account. It helps prevent unauthorized access, protecting your sensitive data and privacy. Increased trust and reliability. A verified account builds trust between you and Gemini. It demonstrates that you are a legitimate user, allowing you to access more advanced features and enjoy a smoother, more reliable experience. Improved customer support. When you have a verified account, you'll often receive faster and more efficient customer support. This can save you time and frustration when you need assistance. Unleashing the full potential of Gemini. Many advanced features within Gemini might require account verification. By verifying your account, you unlock the full potential of this powerful AI, enabling you to explore its capabilities to their fullest extent. Alright, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How exactly do you verify your Gemini account? The process may vary slightly depending on your location and specific circumstances, but here's a general overview. 1. Access your Gemini account. Log into your Gemini account using your credentials. 2. Locate the verification section. Look for the verification or account settings section within your account dashboard. It's usually easily accessible from your profile or settings menu. 3. Choose your verification method. Gemini often offers a variety of verification methods. Government-issued ID. You may be prompted to upload a clear photo or scan of your government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Proof of address. You might need to provide proof of your current address, such as a utility bill or bank statement. Phone number verification. You may be asked to verify your phone number by entering a code sent to your device. Video verification. In some cases, you may be required to complete a short video verification process to confirm your identity. 4. Follow the on-screen instructions. Carefully follow the instructions provided within the verification section. Ensure all the information you provide is accurate and up-to-date. 5. Submit your verification request. Once you have completed all the required steps, submit your verification request. 6. Wait for verification. The verification process may take some time to complete. You will typically receive a notification once your account has been successfully verified. Now, let's address some common questions and concerns. What happens if my verification fails? If your verification fails, don't panic. You will usually receive an explanation for the failure. Carefully review the reason and try again, ensuring all the information you provide is accurate and meets the requirements. Is my personal information safe during the verification process? Gemini employs robust security measures to protect your personal information during the verification process. They adhere to strict privacy policies and utilize encryption to safeguard your data. How long does the verification process take? The verification time can vary depending on several factors, including the verification method chosen and the volume of verification requests. It can typically take anywhere from a few minutes to a few business days. Account verification might seem like a bit of a hurdle, but trust me, it's worth it. By taking this extra step, you're not only enhancing the security of your Gemini account, but also unlocking a world of possibilities. Imagine the incredible things you can achieve with a fully verified account. effortlessly generating creative content, from writing captivating stories and crafting compelling marketing copy to composing original music and developing engaging scripts. The possibilities are endless. Revolutionizing your workflow, streamline tasks, automate processes, and boost productivity with Gemini's powerful AI capabilities. Gaining a competitive edge, stay ahead of the curve by leveraging the latest AI advancements to innovate and solve complex challenges. In today's rapidly evolving digital world, AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a powerful tool that can transform how we live and work. By verifying your Gemini account, you're taking a proactive step towards embracing the future of AI. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.